Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. How are you guys doing? Thank you for the love on my last video. So guys, today is a birthday vlog. We're going to be hanging out with Comfort because today on Saturday was her birthday, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, turning on your post notification, and giving this video a thumbs up. Enjoy the vlog. So guys, I just got to Pleasure Park now. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. So today is Saturday the 15th of October, which is actually Comfort's birthday, and I just got to Pleasure Park now. I'm literally the first person that came here because I got bored staying at home waiting, and I just decided to be here. So the sun is actually sunning today, like there's a whole lot of sun, and I'm just sitting down here at the restaurant area of Pleasure Park, just chilling and waiting for Comfort and the rest to come. We planned it to be a picnic, but plans changed, and we just let's just hang out for our birthday and to see how that goes. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you've not subscribed, please go to hit my subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and give me a thumbs up. So enjoy the vlog. So guys, I'm currently looking for where we can sit and chill out. Look at my view. So that's what I'm doing now. I had to sit by that. I had to sit by the restaurant so that I can catch my breath. Like I needed to catch my breath. So now that I've gotten my bed back, I'm trying to just walk around and see if we can get a good place. Comfort is here. She just came in. I think I'm going to wait for her so we can continue. This is the birthday girl. Now you want to try it. Now you wanted to try it. Now you've seen now. I love it.
One leg comes back. Down.
Go down.
One leg down. You come down the front.
You go for. Talk through.
You smack down.
Talk through. Okay, talk to somebody. Yeah, now she's one of the late comers, but we are going to forgive her.